Cutting something with a dull scissors can really be frustrating. As you can see me struggling to cut this soft fabric with this dull scissors, it was really frustrating. In fact, it was painful. Like, it was really painful. What do you want to cut? You want to cut a fabric, you want to cut something in your kitchen, you want to cut anything you want to cut. Cutting with a dull scissors, like, it's not easy. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Esther Moy, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys trick to sharpen your scissors so easily. What do you need in order for you to sharpen your scissors? All that you need is your hand needle. How do you sharpen your scissors with your hand needle? Just take one pair of your hand needle. You can buy it in pack in case you lost one. Then remove one out of it and put it in between your scissors. Open your scissors, put it in between your scissors, and continue sharpening as you can see me doing. Just put it in between, then putting it like going inside. As you can see me do, this is a very easy way to sharpen your scissors, and the result is definitely going to be wow. And as you can see, I continue sharpening my scissors. In less than a minute, you are done sharpening your scissors for you. So this is the same fabric that I was struggling to cut with this scissors. In fact, the result was not nice. And after sharpening it, I was not even struggling to cut it at all. And as you can see, just putting it inside. In fact, this can cut anything that you want. Can cut anything that you want to cut at this time. And you can use it for a long time before sharpening it again. So if you find this video interesting, please kindly like, share, comment as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I still cut the same fabric with the scissors, and this fabric is thick. I had to fold it like 2 times again, and still very thick, and cutting it with the scissors was very smooth and neater. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.